used to be the person who dumped everything into one bag and just kind of hoped for the best. Lip gloss, it's somewhere. My charger, missing. My keys, as unavailable as my college crush. But then I realized something. The girls who always look like they have their life together, well, they aren't doing more. They're just organizing smarter. So today, I'm showing you how to organize like a pro using a few of my favorite casemate bags, pouches, and more. And these are the ones that actually make everyday life feel a lot easier, cleaner, and honestly, just a little bit cooler, because being organized isn't about being perfect, it's about making your life smoother. So here's the thing no one talks about. Looking put together has less to do with outfits and more to do with systems. Same goes for organizing. The people who always seem calm and prepared, well, they don't have fewer things or more things or even a better life. They just know exactly where everything lives. That's the real trick. Not minimalism, just structure. And once you start using pouches and organizers intentionally, everything changes. You'll stop digging through your bags, you stop losing things, and any tote or bag stops feeling like chaos. All right, so let's take a look at all of the casemate tools that help me do a full 180 in the organization department, which I think is a good pun. First, the crinkle makeup bag. This is the pouch that I reach for the most, and just because its name is makeup, it doesn't actually stop there. You can use it for other things. It's waterproof, easy to use, and very reliable, which sounds so dramatic for a pouch, but once you've had sunscreen or lip balm leak inside of your tote, you will understand. This is what I call my daily essentials pouch. Inside, I keep lip balm, hand sanitizer, travel-sized lotion, hair ties, a mini perfume, all the things that somehow disappear when you need them most. And because it's waterproof, I don't think twice about tossing it into any bag, whether it's the beach, the pool, the gym, travel days, wherever. It just works. Next, jelly makeup bags. And just because it says makeup, again, does not mean it stops there. When I have a pouch like this, it helps me from overpacking, I stop guessing, and I definitely stop buying duplicates of things that I already own because I know they're in one of my jelly pouches. It's also made of this really great jelly material. It's flexible and quite frankly, super cute. I use the jelly makeup bag to separate into categories. Not complicated categories, just very logical ones. So one for beauty, one for tech, one for snacks. And yes, the snacks deserve their own category. What I love most about this is how easy they are to clean. If something spills, it just wipes right off. There is no stress and no drama. It is just functional and cute. And you can also have multiples of these because they stack so well. Something I am living for, the tote organizer. This makes me feel like I have a morning routine that includes journaling and lemon water. If you carry our tote bags, this is the thing that changes everything, because our tote bags are really beautiful, but they can also be very open. We wanted to give you something that was really great at organizing the bags you already have. One big open space sounds great until you're digging for your keys in a parking lot, which I have 100% done. This organizer creates structure inside the tote. Your laptop has a place, your water bottle stays upright, your essentials stay very visible. The transformation is honestly very satisfying. Same bag, same items, completely different experience. It feels very intentional, like you planned your day, even if you didn't. What I love about this is just how easy it is to slide into the bag. It's almost like we made it to be a perfect fit. And last but not least, the train case. This is the bag that makes me feel the most put together. It's spacious without being bulky, and everything stays upright, which means less mess and way less frustration. I use this when I travel, but I also use it at home to organize really chunky necklaces or anything that might need a home. Because there's something about opening a well-organized makeup case that feels calm. Inside of mine, I always keep skincare, foundation, brushes, everyday makeup, everything visible, everything accessible. And she's so cute with that little bow. If you want to organize like a pro, here are the habits that actually make a difference. Number one, give everything a category. Random items become very manageable when they actually belong somewhere. Number two, use clear storage when possible. Seeing your items makes decision-making a lot faster. Number three, build structure inside large bags. Organizers save time every single day. And number four, reset once a week. 5 minutes is literally all it takes to stay ahead of the chaos. And before you know it, you're as organized as Cher's closet from Clueless. I would still love that closet. That movie aged well, except the whole brother thing. At the end of the day, being organized isn't about having less or buying more. It's about making your daily routine feel very effortless. When everything has a place, your day just flows better. And honestly, that quiet confidence, knowing exactly where everything is, might be the coolest thing of all. We'll see you in the next video.